Hello beauties, it's me, Wangali from Two Chic Chicks. Well, I know you haven't seen me in a while, but today I am here to show you how I have been doing my hair lately. So we're gonna get on with this hair tutorial. Well, I already started. I washed my hair and I washed it and conditioned it with this Shea moisture, and I love this. So I've used this today. I washed my hair, then I did a 3-minute conditioner with this. And then I did a deep conditioner with this. And I sat up under the hair dryer. I normally, lately, like for the last months, about a year, I've been doing a steamer. But today I sat up under the hair dryer and I used this. So now I am about to, at this point, I thought I'd bring you on, and I'm going to go ahead from here and put in my, I'm gonna put in a hair oil. And right now I'm using the Biotin hair oil right here. And it's supposed to be good for growth. Now, back in the day, I used to use this Biotin oil that was from Nexus. Loved it. I don't know why they got rid of it, but I loved it. So, kind of got my hair pretty wet still, because it dries quick, my hair. But I always like to throw in a oil before I style my hair. So now I'm gonna go in with this leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisture. Love it that much. Now, depending on how thick your hair is, my hair can take quite a bit of products, and it has been growing. Thank God, I just needed to thicken up some more. So at this point, I'm gonna stop cutting it. I think I'm done with cutting for a while. Now I'm gonna keep this shaped up so I don't be looking too crazy. But I think I'm done with the, and I always try to massage in a couple of places, especially my lighter spaces, places in my head that haven't fully grown back. Oh, that's a good feeling. So I'm gonna use this. This came in my relaxer kit. It says a leave-in conditioner, but this is a styling lotion at the same time. I love this. I love it, love it, love it. I love it better than foam. For real. So I just put my finger in the way. And here we go. Kind of tight. Two-strand twist. And make sure your hair, if you're doing this with damp hair, and I'm trying not to take it too tight on the root, because I want the root to be kind of full. And then I use a hair wrap. Pull it up some. And I'm using the white perm rods. And then I just roll it. And clamp it. And we're gonna keep right on going. Okay, beauties, this is what I'm looking like thus far. And I think I got 2, 4, 5, 9 rollers in so far. So the same technique, this is what I'm looking like from the back. Okay, I'm back now. So I realized one thing. My hair is longer and thicker on my right side. I didn't just realize that, but I'm just saying. And this is where we at. That's as much as I can get rolled on my own. So I'll put a little bit more styling lotion on my hair, and now I'm gonna get my brush and I'm gonna brush down what's left out. Brush that down. For me, it don't never lay straight. I don't know, ever since the beautician can get it to lay better, I can't. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Naironbi, and it's blue. It's about the only thing I use. My beautician used this on my head before. And I was like, when I realized, like, oh my God, my hair gonna turn blue, and it did. So, if you don't know, I only use clear white products. That means hair oil, all of it. So, let's see what this is gonna do. If it don't, I'm not too worried about it right now. I'll worry about it tomorrow. One, 2, here's about 3. Well, I'll show my bloops. I don't have a problem with that. We'll do this again. We'll do the takedown tomorrow. Now I'm gonna tell you, I hope, well, tomorrow we'll do the takedown, but I'll have all my products I have used listed down below in the description box. So until tomorrow, it's morning. Okay guys, I'm back. Time for the takedown. Let's see what we got going on here. Now, I did already remove my wrap strips. I sat under hair dryer last night, and once the sides dried, I took them off. So this is what we looking like today, like when I left you yesterday. Oh. So now we will begin to take down the rollers. The reason I love this hairstyle is for 2 reasons. One is when I just want to have that look that I can just go to bed on and wake up in the morning and shake and go. And the other one is when I need a, when my hair is dry, I can always use oil a little bit more on this hairstyle because it doesn't ever look oily. It's medium. It's doing its own thing now. But yeah, I've been needing a little, uh-oh, let's see, we got a piece that didn't get nothing. We're gonna make it blend. Okay. Help out my my scalp. Just massaging into the part. Now, if you want, my hair is still a little thinner in spots like right across here and right here. So yeah, so with the oil that's already on my hands, I'm gonna start just pulling the hair apart. See, I'll start. Got my pick. Okay, so we're gonna lift, not come all the way through, but just lift. And I'm going for more of a mohawk look. So yeah, I like how the curls look at the front. But with this, as the days go on, the better this look. So this is how we look. And when I say I had to merge these two parts together, I just would come in and probably do like this down the side to make sure that there's no separation. Now, this is day one. As the days go on, it gets better. So I kind of work it and let it do what it do. Now, my back, let's see what we looking like. Just trying to make sure there's no separations too bad. And I'll probably keep fiddling with this. So let me see what I'm showing y'all. Okay. This isn't too bad. But like I said, as the days go on, it does get better. And I'll probably work it some more. But this is pretty much the look and everything. And I'll, finger it. So. And this is gonna just start, especially when some of these little curls loosen up, it just gets better, better, and better. And day 3, that's me. I would like to thank you guys for watching, and thank you for subscribing, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. They're coming.